All right, well, it's now Sunday and we're heading back home, but we're gonna hit up a few places like Anderson Falls here in Bartholomew County. It's a little park, and it's one of the top 10 waterfalls of Indiana. We're gonna check it out. Should be kind of quick. Probably get some quick drone footage, and that'll be about it. And then we're off back to Mount Vernon. Also, we got Sammy with us. So here we go, let's check it out. Wow, that was really nice. Anderson Falls, just east of Columbus. I'll put some coordinates in so you can find it, but pretty nice. Small little park area, little picnic table. Would be a great little afternoon stop for an hour or two. There seems to be several hiking trails around here. I saw some people running on the other side of the river, so that might be something you want to look into. I'll try to research some more stuff, see what's out here. But Anderson Falls, well worth the stop. So